welcome to Inside Out. Today's topics: communication for rail, the Dow Jones Sustainability Index, an LTE-enabled Parrot drone, our leadership position in optical technologies, and upcoming events.
Hi, Teresa. We all know that Alcatel-Lucent solutions help people connect and communicate every day. But what's lesser known is that we also help people commute as well. In major cities around the world, New York, Shanghai, Delhi, and right here in Paris, metro rail operators rely on communication solutions to ensure smooth operations and passenger safety. Line 1 is the busiest line of the Paris Metro, serving major tourist sites such as the Champs-Élysées and the Louvre Museum, as well as the business district of La Défense. Alcatel-Lucent has provided broadband communication services including real-time video train control, video surveillance, and operational data transfer between trains and the control center. Alcatel-Lucent's integrated communication solutions enhance safety and the customer experience and optimize operations and maintenance efficiency as a part of RATP Group's project to transform Metro Line 1 into a fully automated driverless system. This was a world first because they moved from driver to driverless without system interruption. Hey, look who it is. Hey, Jean-Marc.
Hey, Andrew, good to see you.
See you.
Did you know that 8 out of 10 largest metro operators in the world are actually using Alcatel-Lucent communication solutions? I just came back from InnoTrans Berlin, the largest railway show in the world, where we showcased our next generation communication solution. Right now, urban transport operators are currently using multiple networks for multiple services. And there is a trend to consolidate everything on one single radio networks, leveraging IP MPLS and LTE, supporting everything from mission critical information, signaling, as well as passenger infotainment services.
LTE, that's where Alcatel-Lucent's light radio solution comes in, right?
You're correct. With light radio, we will have more capacity at lower cost, unique modularity, enabling deployment anywhere, and more importantly, beamforming capabilities, increasing the LTE signal penetration into trains, for example. So with 4G in general and LTE in particular, we will really transform the way the rail industry is communicating today.
And just like Jean-Marc said, it's not just urban rail that benefits from our solutions. High-speed rail lines across the world rely on Alcatel-Lucent. So there's a good chance that whenever you catch a train, Alcatel-Lucent is behind it to make sure you get to your destination safely, on time, and with the best possible experience.
And Teresa, let's not forget the Eurotunnel, where we switched on 3G connectivity just in time for the London Games. Our engineers really pulled off a feat there.
Andrew, did you know that we have been recently named Technology Super Sector Leader with a score of 87 out of 100?
I did, and it was great news. It was for the Dow Jones Sustainability Index.
It's now the second year in a row where we've been recognized, and this year we even raised the bar by being overall leader in the technology sector. Launched in 1999, the DJSI are the first global indexes tracking the financial performance of the leading sustainability-driven companies worldwide. And they follow a best-in-class approach, including companies across all industries that outperform their peers in numerous sustainability metrics.
Exactly. The result of the Corporate Sustainability Assessment provides in-depth analysis of economic, environmental, and social criteria. Employees from across Alcatel-Lucent worldwide have directly or indirectly contributed to the DJSI recognition, and we show that corporate responsibility and sustainability are really a part of our DNA. This is both a reputational and a commercial endorsement for Alcatel-Lucent, and we can all be proud of the recognition.
Now, Andrew, have a look at this. Do you know what that is?
I do. It's top on the holiday shopping list. That's a drone, right?
Absolutely. It's an augmented reality drone. Parrot, a French company very well known for its automotive and multimedia equipment, had a very simple idea back in 2010. A drone equipped with 2 cameras that you can pilot via your smartphone or a tablet. And the idea worked. Over 25,000 have been sold worldwide.
Well, it's a pretty cool toy for adults as well as kids, but I'm missing the connection with Alcatel-Lucent.
Well, Andrew, you know, it's controlled over Wi-Fi. You know, Wi-Fi has its limits. The signal is often blurred, and currently such a drone can only fly over a distance of about 100 meters or so. Well, our Bell Labs engineers did not need much more to pick up that challenge. They went out and tried to look into piloting the drone using the power of LTE.
You want HD video transmitted directly to the smartphone or tablet while piloting the drone? This connected object could be the one. Our engineers created an LTE network with a base station and virtual ultra-compact core network in order to launch the challenge and try to surpass the distance of 100 meters. And in a cornfield just outside our Bell Labs in Ville-Arceau, Alcatel-Lucent and Parrot managed the world's first test flight over a distance of 1 kilometer, all this powered by LTE.
In addition to the fun factor of this trial, we can now really think of infinite possibilities to use and commercialize this gadget, and again, push the limits of our imagination. Think thousands of applications, think Internet of Things, think development. Such a drone can be used by firemen for surveillance of fires, or by farmers to oversee their crop or their animals, by journalists to shoot and broadcast HD videos like never before, and many, many more uses. Andrew, what are you reading? Can I have a look?
Teresa, I'm taking a look at the Optical Leadership Survey issued by Infonetics. You know, that's the industry analyst firm that polls service providers around the world to find out which ones they consider to be leaders in optical technology. Turns out, Alcatel-Lucent was ranked the clear winner in a variety of segments. Service providers rank us as the leader in optical technology.
Wow, that's really quite a recognition, especially if I look at all the players in that market.
Yeah, the report is actually important because it measures customer perception and their influence on buying decisions. So, Teresa, what's coming up?
Well, Alcatel-Lucent will be at the Broadband World Forum October 16th to 18th in Amsterdam. Alcatel-Lucent will showcase innovations that allow service providers to create, improve, optimize and monetize the customer experience. We will meet customers from around the world, as well as industry analysts and, of course, the media. Our presence will be highlighted with the theme Experience Innovation with the High Leverage Network.
Teresa, Alcatel-Lucent will also be present at the upcoming ITU Telecom World in Dubai, October 14 to 18. Then Verwayen will be a part of a panel about digital innovation, and Gabriel Gaultier, Head of Public Affairs, will discuss frameworks for competitions in broadband.
And don't forget to tune into our third quarter earnings announcement on November the 2nd. And of course, we look forward to seeing you soon again for another episode of Inside
Out.